from this to this, the dough on the cookie sheet. I'm doing the review on the baking silicone sheet mat that I bought the other day, you guys. So these are my chocolate chip cookies. Well, I probably didn't say in the beginning I was making chocolate chip cookies, but these are the chocolate chip cookies that I'm placing on the mat. And next will be the end results. Okay guys, this is the final results of baking my chocolate chip cookies on my new silicone baking mat. So I turned one cookie over. That's what it looks like on that side. It turned out really nice. So yes, baking mats are the business. Get you in, do some good baking for the holidays or for any day of the seasons. This is a great product to use. That's it, that's all. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, hope you guys enjoyed my review. I love it, it works great. Thanks guys, bye. Just wanted to share that this is how I am storing my cookie dough. So when the next time I get ready to make some chocolate chip cookies, I can just slice them instead of the spoon way. The first time I did that,